Morning, October 7th, crypto market summary. We're keeping a finger on the pulse of crypto, NFT, and shitcoin markets by looking at the macro environment. So today we had the US non-farm payrolls. Looking at some of the commentary on Twitter, Wizard of Soho, always a wealth of commentary. So job market beat, markets are mixed, stocks are down, definitely under pressure, rates moving higher, employment came down, which is net bearish. Not great. Market definitely going to struggle ahead. CPI is next, so inflation is next. Have to hope it comes good. Otherwise, bad vibes for a bit. Whoa. All right. So 5% 2 year notes if CPI doesn't move lower. But wow. So um some stuff to see, I guess. Some more stuff to look at. We got to get into some numbers here. So let's take a look. I'm going to fill this in on US. So previous one, we had additional 315,000 jobs. We were forecasting the consensus was 250,000 jobs this year. This month. But the U.S. economy added 263,000. So that's a beat, right? Beats the consensus. So it's green. So we added that in September, the least of since April of 2021. Not good, not great, but above the market forecast. So the September reading marks a drop of an average of 439,000 jobs added in the first 8 months of the year as higher interest rates and prices started to weigh in on the economy. Still, the number continues to point to a tight labor market, and that's from the Bureau of Labor, U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. So that's their actual release. So what's the impact of that? Well, the FOMC, they adjusted interest rates. Jerome Powell keeps reiterating that interest rate decisions will be based on data. So this is some of the data. It's kind of weird because, yeah, it beat the forecast, but it's down on the average of the year. But seeing that it beat the forecast, it might indicate that there is some room to add more interest rates and more payments to the interest rate market, to the debt market, until he sees the forecast not being met or beat. That'll be a data point for him to indicate that his interest rates are affecting job markets, and it's time to maybe start looking to pivot. That's one take on it. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm sure that everyone's got a little bit of a different opinion, but got a lot of uncertainty in the market still. A lot of uncertainty in the market. Got a little bit of red mic going on today. But let's jump into our daily market summary. Looks like ETH is still ranging, just in that 1300 mark. So what do we got here? 1332 for ETH. BNB. I can't believe BNB took only a $10, $13 hit. They had a little bit of a hack. It wasn't on Binance, but it was on a bridge. I think it was $600 million taken from them. And what happened is CZ, founder of Binance, told the validators to freeze the chain to kind of figure that out. Sounds like they did. Doesn't sound like we all knew BNB is a little centralized. It is Binance's coins. There, one take I did here is that buy BNB on the dip because CZ has so much money, unlimited money, I think was the quote. But I got red mic on here. Not 100% sure that's confirmed. Lots of green, but I don't think it's a whole bunch. I don't know. However, that isn't always the what do you want to call it? It's not always the last 7 days, right? So that's what it's going through. Not, but if we look at the market cap, 0.984, we are down in market cap by whatever that is, 20 billion. Peanuts. Everybody's doing good over here. What's this? Oh yeah, everybody. What's Magikeen doing? 86,874. 86,874 times Sol. So again, more slow bleed. A lot of red on there lately. What do we see here? Going into USD. OpenSea still crushing it. A lot of green on there. A lot of green. They've had some updates and looks rare. What's looks rare doing? I don't know. Looks rare is getting a lot of volume. Looks like X2Y2, some of that's bleeding over. So looks rare has just been doing some hardcore beats on the 10-day moving average. OpenSea has been crushing it. X2Y2 having a tough time. Um, Interesting. What are our oil prices doing today? Still on the climb. As we know, OPEC is cutting 2,000 barrels to the market. Obviously, that's reflected in the gas station prices you see driving down the road. That was a big jump. Oh, European gas prices coming down. Good. Oh, bond rates climbing back up. Hey, they're looking at it. So the 10-year is 3.88. That is getting back up there. So September 27th, we had a 4%. So we're there. We're back in the Dixie kind of flying back up again. S&P 3744, little flat, little downward pressure, but what do we got? Oh, the 2-year is looking savage. 4.297, so 4.3%. That's coming up. Yikes. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Alrighty, let's see what's going on. I don't think my gripper and ripper is going to work, unfortunately. Let's see if maybe it was just something that was going on. So what do we get? 2.4. I'm gonna do this copy and let's get back into the gripper and ripper. Is it gonna work? Ah, nice. It was just the way I copied it last time. I think might have sorted it. Um, Good. Love when stuff works and you didn't do anything. Floor autoglyphs 235. Hey, okay. What's going on over here? NFTs input special. Let's do that. I didn't copy. I wonder if I can just put this. Um. Yeah, I don't know about all this. Let's take a gander here. I had to put a button in for that, I guess. Hey, yeah, that's gonna happen. I'm just gonna do this. So let's copy, SD paste. Crypto punks 65.95. Bored apes coming down still. You know, yeah, that kind of ruins it. So let's just keep seeing here. So proofs going up. Bored ape kennel club. Artifact, Monolith, Cool Cat still up. I think they captured a little bit on there. Everything else pretty flat. Etherworks coming down a little bit. Wrecked guy coming down. Let's see, they're coming off the top. I'm probably have to jump in that soon enough. CK babies, what do you got going on over here? 2.3. Yeah, two ENS 10Ks coming down 2.4. It's not coming down that quick though. That's for sure. 1.87. Yeah, that's coming down. It's funny. I would have been able to probably point the top out there. That's still 1.575. I don't know why it says 10% on this, but so that's where we're at with that shitcoin market here. And there's lots of stuff on Twitter starting to say like little mini bull run on shitcoins right now. I've been saying that for a little bit here. 4.9. You can just kind of see the numbers. 4.9, 11,889. It's still on average. I think that average transaction cost, was down quite a bit, but now it's a beat on the average cost. Interested to see what BSC shitcoins are. Yeah, it's probably pretty low because the chain was frozen. 5123, probably the lowest that there ever was. I'm just gonna put a comment in here. Note that this is when BSC/BNB chain was frozen due to bridge hack. Good to go. All right. You have yourself a good day.